Hey guys, this is Brandino, and today we are doing eggnog. I'm at a different position because eggnog requires a bit more things. But disclaimer right now, I'm not adding any alcoholic drink in this. You could add an alcoholic drink, but I'm really not because I'm underage. Yeah. So without further ado, let's get started.
So hi guys, we're jumping straight into this. So first, on a pot that is simmering to low heat, we're going to add a mixture of 3 cups of milk and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, paired with 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And while that's going to be sitting at a low boil at a medium heat, we're going to mix in this gloriously white bowl, very shiny, 6 egg yolks, large egg yolks. And to that, the reason we added them into a bowl is because we're going to add parts of 1 cup of sugar. We're not going to add it all at once. We're just going to whisk it, and we're going to whisk it as we add more sugar. We're just doing this so it can be well combined and just more of a good and professional result. Because I like how eggnog tasted. I didn't want to ruin this. So we keep adding sugar and we keep whisking. And we keep whisking our 6 egg yolk and 1 cup of sugar mixture. And yeah, and we're not just going to add this straight into it. After you add all of the sugar and all of the egg yolks, we are going to add kind of big spoonfuls of the simmering milk that is simmering to the side. And we're going to do this so the egg doesn't curdle or boil as we mix it, so the eggs come up to the temperature so we don't ruin it. We want our eggnog to be nice and delicious, not full of burnt egg chunks. So we're just going to keep doing that multiple times until the solution is kind of nice and liquidy. We want it to be runny but not pure liquid. That's how you can probably tell that the eggs are to the temperature so that they will not burn or boil, whatever you want to call it. So this eggnog turns out to be a really good recipe, and if you are still watching, thank you so much. It's only been like 3 minutes into the video, and you have like 5 more to go. So yeah, and hopefully if you're making this with me, this is followable. And yeah, we're still mixing our milk and heavy cream mixture into the sugar eggs. This is where all the sugar of the eggnog comes in, and I'm going to tell you when you can add alcohol if you want to, because all age viewers can be watching my channel. So yeah, so we're just gonna add when the egg mixture is like nice and liquidy, we're just going to add it into the milk and heavy cream mixture, and we're just gonna nicely mix that up. Now is the time that I actually saw why eggnog got its color, because egg yolks are yellow and milk is white, and when you add them both together, that is a light yellow or yellowish brown, because of the heavy cream might put a tint on it. This has been really fun for me. I just like cooking. So we have switched to the next clip, and now we're adding spices. This is some ground ginger. I'm not going to add measurements because I don't believe in measuring spices. You add however much you want, and you do it however you want. You make it taste however you want. So we're going to add ground nutmeg. You do it however you want. You taste it however you want. You do you. as long as you make it taste good. That's the only requirement. And now that is cinnamon. As I mix this up, and as you see, now you know what a little flakes are in eggnog, commercial eggnog, because they use seasoning. It's not just regular milk. It's milk with heavy cream, sugar, eggs, and seasoning. And I'm just tasting it. It tastes pretty good. Now this is the spot where I would add my alcohol when it's still on the stove and I just added my spices. This is the time where I add my amount of alcohol if I were to drink alcohol, but I am not old enough to drink alcohol. If you know me personally, you know that. So this is alcoholic free, as you saw in my thumbnail, and I like it. It still tastes good, and you do not need alcohol to make this. So this is my attempt at B-roll. This is comforting. Seeing eyes of mine. And end of the video is gonna start around.
Hey guys,
now.
this is Brandino, and this is kind of final of the video. And here's my brother about to taste test again. So he's going to taste the store-bought eggnog first, and then he's going to taste my eggnog. But let me get a quick side note. This camera might not be doing justice, but my colors are pretty freaking accurate. It's amazing. Okay, Colin, taste whichever one first, and then taste the second one. Are there any differences?
That one's hot.
Oh yeah, it must have not cooled down. Are there any other differences? Which one do you like better?
I don't like they taste the same.
You hear that, guys? They taste the same. That's a good thing. Yay! Okay, so do you like both of them? Oh, okay. So what do you like about both of them?
They taste like eggnog.
Yay! Okay, you heard it here, folks. We heard it from another person, and Colin's going bye-bye. Anyway, y'all, thank you for watching, and you see, my eggnog's pretty good. Let me do it. Oh, these are the same, except mine is a bit more sugar. I don't know where that came from, but mine has a bit more sugar. Anyway, guys, you heard it here. This eggnog recipe is pretty good. I did pretty well anyway, and I got it right. So, with my instructions, y'all should too. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I think I will see you next time. Goodbye.